Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you on how to check for security update on Android phone. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings, just like so. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to security right here. So click on security. I'm going to click on it straight up. After you click on security, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do, you have to click on where you see security update, and in a few seconds it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on check for update. So you have to exercise a little bit patience. If there is any security update, you will be asked to download it on your phone, and this strengthens the level of your phone security, and it also detects some of the harmful apps that you have on your Android phone. So basically, this is how to check for security update on your Android phone and how you can actually update your Android phone to a latest version of security of the Android brand. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.